Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the most popular cocktails for you. The classic Bloody Mary cocktail. The Bloody Mary cocktail is beautifully concocted with vodka, tomato juice, and exotic spices. I hope you will like this recipe. Let's start by rimming the glass with salt and fresh black pepper. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. I will take a small piece of lemon and rub it slowly on the rim of the glass. Always use fresh salt for better results. Now I will lightly move the glass on the salt, and this way salt will be stuck on the rim. Don't forget to give little jerks to remove loose salt. I know you will be able to do this perfectly. The glass is now perfectly rimmed, so let's prepare the Bloody Mary mix. I will take 10 ounces of fresh tomato juice. 2 spoons of Tabasco sauce. This is the best-selling hot sauce made from special Tabasco peppers, and created more than 150 years ago in the USA by Edmund McIlhenny. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. 4 spoons of Worcestershire sauce. This is a sweet and tangy sauce made from tamarind, molasses, malt vinegar and spices. This world-famous sauce was created by Lee and Perrins Company in England in 1837. I will add approximately a 1/4 tablespoon of fresh black pepper, though you can adjust it as per your taste. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. Add a 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to make it little tangy. Now I will add a pinch of salt, and mix all the ingredients. If you have celery salt, use that for better taste. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now I will add a few ice cubes, and pour the Bloody Mary mix. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Now I will pour 1½ ounces of vodka. Classic vodka doesn't contain color and flavor, so you can use any vodka of your choice. Now I will garnish this cocktail with a lemon wheel, cherry tomato, and celery stalk. The classic Bloody Mary cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.